progress on the 41 Buick. I was working on the hood seal, got that installed. Gonna start installing the glass. Got the entire floor covered with sound deadener and heat insulation. And I started working on the dash. That's all wood grain, or will be. And the door. I put all the trim on it, make sure everything works. And then move on to the next item. Got lots of parts to put together, but I'll be doing it in the nice, cool shop because we just installed a mini split. So I'll be able to work out here all summer. It'll be 110 outside and 80 inside.